No more pressure than I'm using there. It just takes up all the stains and spots. Immediately removes it with no more work than that. It looks like brand new. Are you seeing that?
Oh my gosh.
I can't believe it. It is a miracle.
Yes, it is.
I mean, that's how much scrubbing that took. That's how crazy.
Oh my God.
I cannot believe it. Over here, this doorway had oil droppings and stuff in it. You know, where you get in and out?
Yeah.
It made it look like brand new. I mean, this is a farm vehicle. Look at that.
Wow.
Amazing. Yeah, you can stop.
Okay.
It's gone. It's a miracle.
No, wait.
Does that show on camera?
Oh yeah.
That's
a
red stain right there.
No,
It's
those
not
two
killing that.
black spots. Yeah, those exactly those.
And she,
I see them.
and she has not used a floorboard mat back here.
No,
Look at that.
No. And gone.
What? Well, that is amazing. All right, what is this carpet deal? It just takes those stains right off and that rust and everything that's in there. That blows my mind.
Wow.
And I'm not working hard to do it.
Nope.
Just
I
one
mean,
pass.
seconds and it's gone.
That is amazing.
Ding.
That don't even look real. That looks like fake photography there. Get a free sample and try it for yourself at allinOnePaint.com.